Assalamu alaikum. Today the major question is, why do Iranian missiles get intercepted mid-route? When Iran fires a ballistic missile from Isfahan towards Israel, it first encounters interception attempts from the US forces stationed in Iraq. The French Rafales jet based in the UAE, which are allowed to use Saudi Arabian Air Base, and the US Carroll Vinson aircraft carrier patrolling the Persian Gulf with its state-of-art missile destroyers. If the Iranian missiles manage to evade all the advanced weapons, it then faces the Jordanian Air Force. US troops stationed in Jordan, British Royal Air Force, Typhoon and F-35 jets deployed from Cyprus. If it survives these dragons as well, Israel's air defense system tries to intercept it. Arrow 3 attempts to destroy it from as far as 2,000 kilometers away, striking in space. If that fails, Arrow 2 takes over the attempts and hit it as it enters the atmosphere from 1500 to 500 kilometers. Beyond that, the David Sling defense system chases it from a range of 300 kilometers to 40 kilometers. If the Iranian missiles manage to receive all these systems, its final challenge is the Iron Dome, which tries to intercept it at the range of 70 kilometers down to 4 kilometers. If there are any other country missiles in the world that faces so many obstacles before reaching its target, and keep in mind, Iran ballistic missiles are domestic made, while the systems attempt to intercept them represent the peak of cutting-edge technology developed by some of the most advanced nations in the world.